Welcome to Agrivisions, a program of First Dakota National Bank. I'm Michelle Rook with Nate Franzén, president of the Agribusiness Division. Nate, the last few weeks we've been talking about some of the deregulation you expect under the new Trump administration. So let's talk today specifically about what that might mean for 1071 compliance for banks and ag lending.
Yeah, let's talk 1071 because that specifically impacts farmers and ranchers, or at least a high percentage of the farmers and ranchers out there that we work with. 1071 is part of the Dodd-Frank law that was passed after the 2008 financial crisis. It's a section of that law that has yet to be implemented, and under the last administration, the CFPB went full bore to get it implemented. A big note here is the original law was written that banks and finance companies have to collect 13 data points on all small business loans, including small ag loans. And when they just say small, it's all businesses with $5 million or less of gross revenue in a year. Under the last administration, the CFPB kicked it out, requiring us to collect 81 data points, and it has to be collected at the time of application. So any new loan request, whether you're a brand new customer to a bank or an existing customer, and it applies to banks, it applies to the farm credit system, all financiers are bound by this law. It would really be cumbersome, and ultimately it's asking small businesses to report a lot of information to the government that, my guess is not all small businesses would be real excited about doing. And so, thank goodness, the current administration has put a stay in place through the court process. They've also, with new leadership in the CFPB, stopped all implementation of new regulatory and law actions, which 1071 covers. So we're in kind of a pause period here to see where this goes going forward.
Thanks for that update, Nate Franzén with First Dakota National Bank and today's Agrivisions.